help save life in an emergency. Remember, this is for educational purposes only, and it's always best to practice with a certified instructor. Let's get started.
I found an unconscious body. First, I need to check the area to sure it was safe. Then, I checked the responsiveness of the person by tapping the shoulder and asking, Sir, are you okay? Sir, are you okay? If there's no response, we need to shout for help. Help! I found an unconscious body here. You, the patient, please call 911. Next, I check the breathing by gently tilting the head back, lifting the chin. Look, I use the method of look, listen, and feel. By his mouth and nose. I look for cheese when we see and feel the air in his mouth and listening or breathing. Imitating the air by your cheeks. Then, if there's no breathing, you need to do the CPR. If AED is available, use the AED. I will have used it according to its instruction. After each shock, I will have resumed CPR immediately. For CPR, you need to place the held of one hand in the center of the chest with other hand on the top, elbow lock, arm straight, and face down at 2 and chest depth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. After 30 compression, I give 2 breaths, ensuring good cell over the mouth and nose. Lifting the head back, tilting the head back, lifting the chin, give 2 breaths. I keep doing this until the rescuer or other rescuer talk over or the help has arrived. I hope you learned